We specialize in the production of evaporator and condenser manufacturing equipment, including fin press machine, stainless steel fin processing equipment, aluminum tube, copper tube bending and expansion equipment, tube bending equipment, welding equipment and tube end equipment, providing a full set of solutions. No matter what kind of fins you need to process or what kind of pipes you need to process, we will give you a reasonable production plan. No matter what unique design ideas you have, just provide drawings and we can customize exclusive equipment for you. The equipment can be designed as fully automatic, semi-automatic, manual, etc. The production plan can be formulated according to the customer's production capacity requirements. Stable equipment quality ensures efficient and stable production and reduces downtime. Accurate delivery control will never delay your production plan. Considerate after-sales service will solve problems encountered during use at any time.